Bueno. Let us know if you can hear us.
Sorry. A little bit nervous about what's to come next.
Somebody scary just popped in.
Are you seriously right here right now? How you going?
It actually looked like that was being played by a ghost when you were kicking it because you had your legs so low.
It was played by a
just
ghost.
going.
It was played by a ghost.
Oh.
Yep.
Well, when I tried to play it, my leg got too tired, so I tried to jump back.
You see, that's because the ghost was pretty scared of what was going on. Hello, Gostin! Cathy Ulster Fod. You're all very welcome to our special Samhain session, our version of Thank Folk It's Friday. It's great to see you here, and I saw that someone commented saying it wouldn't be a Linn session or Thank Folk without something going wrong. Yes, indeed, something going wrong. We put in the wrong date and day. And I will see you all.
Unfortunately, we don't have one of anything for everyone in the audience.
No.
Other than good songs.
Plenty of songs. But we do have a special guest that we'd like to introduce. If anyone you follow us on Instagram, you would have seen a very scary, very adjective.
Strong.
Shocking. Strong image.
Intimidating.
So we don't know who the guy is.
But he's going to play some instruments.
He's going to play some instruments.
So you can guess who it is. I don't know. I've been trying all night.
So can I say in the comments who is the person and who is the
persona?
The persona. The person and the persona. Just 2 more minutes. Person and persona. Comments.
Sorry, I know I was in your seat. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Samhna. I'm from Quebec, Canada. Thank you very much for joining, Julie. We're still waiting for our guesses. Hello all from Southern California.
So cool.
Oh, we've got a guest in from Bettina who says it was Keith. We don't know. We just don't know.
I haven't actually seen him in a separate room to this person though.
No, I haven't seen him at all. We've another guest saying Jersey Man. It's unfortunately not Jersey Man, although I wish it was him.
Yeah, that'd be way better than Keith.
Hello, buenas noches from Spain. Hola, Norma, ¿cómo estás? Any other guesses?
It's not buenas noches.
Oh, we've got Rebecca in with Tim Russell is saying it's Keith as well. We don't know Tim. We really don't know. Rebecca is suggesting it is Batman. We're not sure yet.
He does keep asking for Sarah.
Where's Sarah? Oh my God! Here we go.
Sarah, why don't you
He's
come join
entering.
us?
Very scary altogether. Cześć, Aniścia. Oh, holy
Joker.
Where's the Joker? Right there.
You see the Joker?
Right there.
You see the Joker?
He's right there. He's right in front of you. He's such a joker, this guy.
He's a small guy, weird face, doesn't look normal.
Yeah, that's me.
Okay, he's not a small guy or a tall guy. No,
Is it you?
No, it's not me.
He's some man for the set, but JC's up to no good.
Okay. There's a great song by Thin Lizzy people are suggesting named Sarah that you could play. And Batman has destroyed his Bat-Dulin.
She'll live to this another day.
Now we can't reveal who it is just yet because we do not want anyone to know. You know, he's got a mask on and he can't do it. But we'll play a song. What song we played to?
Right before, you guys play a song. I'm going to try up the lights so we can see our guest a bit better.
No, but he doesn't want to be spotted. He's a man.
He's a man of the night.
Man of the night. You know,
I also want to
shrouded.
I was born in the dark.
Fire in your requests. We have gotten some requests already during the week, so we have them in and ready to go. So if you do have any ones, we can keep them. What could we do, Batman? What songs should we do together?
Is it Batman or Bateman?
Bateman? I think it's Bateman. Bateman?
Mr. Bateman.
What are you thinking?
What are we thinking?
Where's your voice gone?
Oh, sorry, I'm not sure.
Right, we have some few options over there that we can actually carry on if we are stuck. But how about we do a bit of? No, but we do need Kev for this one. Kev, can
Batman?
Gotham needs you, Kevin.
Gotham needs you, Kev. So if Tim Russell, I have seen you there. I don't know if Mike is listening, but we know Mike did request this song.
Which one is it?
Bum, 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 bum.
Oh, give it a go.
Mike did request this one, and we said we'd give it a crack for Mike. All right.
Okay. Nice.
So Tim, if Mike is listening, Get him in to have a look, alright?
I
Ready?
expected Batman to play a less delicate instrument.
Oh, but he's
Beautiful.
He's going to play it with death.
That's the fourth one I keep bringing.
He plays it, it just sounds like a double kick pedal.
Robin loves when I play the mandolin.
Right, 2, 3, go!
Mission one, boys not maybe. Ik past hem down, it's the barricade. Bones to fight it harder. Sun and the red, my crew is long. Sun and the good, he fell on good. Sun and the red, we flew long. Sun and the good, he fell on good. It's alright. We were like, I know it's time to just finish. Oh, yeah.
That's what I was meant to do.
Yeah.
Sarah would have
Bit of crack. That's Sarah.
She loves the rhythmics.
So let's see, we got some comments in there. Mag ook. Kichelboeltonisch. Moet zijn check more of a Leatherface vibe than Batman. Well, yeah, Leatherface with horns. Well, what else is Batman? So Susan still thinks it's Keith. I like the new look.
Why?
Foolish.
What makes her think that?
So foolish.
Oh, we've got Sylvia Klein tuning in from the Crocky. How are you getting on, Sylvia? Great to see you. On here. Who else have we got? Always thought Batman was a bit taller. Ooh, that's a dig.
That's a dig.
That's in from Sarah. Oh my God, Sarah.
I thought Batman was taller.
Taller.
I hope you don't need any crime sorted out soon. Because I won't be there.
You're not going to get any help there, Jessica. Battling. Who else have we got in there? Oh, ghost emojis. Nice. I never saw any of them.
For Halloween.
Cześć to all our friends from Poland listening in. Dzień dobry. And someone's guessing Connor. It's closer. Getting warmer.
Much too busy with his new baby.
Oh yes. I want to say a massive congratulations to Connor and Maura, of course, who have just recently had a new baby. And woo! We're absolutely delighted. The first mini member of Linn, I suppose. Absolutely shocked it was Connor, to be honest. But delighted, I'm only joking. Delighted, absolutely delighted for Sophie, Connor and Maura. The Moore family from Gorey.
The more the merrier.
The more the merrier.
Alright, well, time to go.
Right, will we get cracking into maybe a bit of 19?
What's 19?
From the came to
Key?
F. Or do you play? Oh, you do probably.
No,
Oh,
it's on
you
something.
do. No, you do understand.
I don't think it's F.
It is.
Sorry, what is it? Okay, go on. Yeah.
You ready? Hey, no, God. I took a job in a steamy down a Caldron Street, and I fell in love with a laundry girl that was working next to me. She was a real fine as a Bígí, so fine but the wind might roll away. She was a lost joy, she was running away. She said as long as there's no person that will stay, wouldn't want me any other way. Hey, no, take it. Brown hair zigzag around her face and the look of half surprise, like a fox caught in the headlights. She said, young man, oh can't you see, not the factory kind, and if you don't take me out of here, I'll sure is mine. Hey! She was a fine as a Bígí, so fine but the wind might blow her away. She was a lost joy, she was running away. She said as long as there's no person that will stay, wouldn't want me any other way. Around the market towns and take fruit down in Kent, and we could tinker lamps and pots and night wherever we went. She said that we might settle down, get a few acres done, a fire burning in the heart of bodies on the road. She said, oh man, you foolish man, it surely sounds like hell. You might be lord of half the world, but you're not only as well. Hey! She was a fine as a Bígí, so fine that the wind might roll away. She was a lost joy, she was running away. She said as long as there's no price in love I'll stay, you wouldn't want me any other way. Work was pretty good. She thought we shouldn't wait for frost anyway. Maybe we should. We were drinking more in those days. The tempers reached a pitch. Well, like a fool, I let her run around the beach. And last I heard she sleeping out down in Derby Beat. White horse in her hip pocket and a wolf out at her. You see, she even married once a man named Romany Brown. But even a gypsy caravan is too much like settling down. Say her flowers faded now, hard weather and hard booze, but maybe that's the price to pay for the tree that you. She was a red, fine as a Bígí, so fine that the wind might blow her away. She was a lost, she was running away. She said as long as there's no price in love I'll stay, wouldn't want me any other. Fine as a Bígí, and I miss her more than ever words could say. If I could just taste all of her wildness now, if I could hold her in my arms today, I wouldn't want her any other way. Want her any other way. Oh! Ooh, Tom McGrath. How are y'all all getting on? Let's have a look at the old commentinis.
Oh my god, where's Keith?
Yeah, Tim, we'd have no idea where he is. It turns out Batman can play the exact same instruments as well. Lower voice is the only thing, but he's here but faceless.
Maybe put on your glasses, Batman. You might see better.
Keith must be a talented guy.
Well, Batman isn't. How long could the mystery maniac go without vaping? Batman doesn't vape.
I think he might have vaped.
Batman's way too cool for vaping. Quick hello. Crackhead's waiting for you to have your first, so we could. Oi! Hello there, new old Jacobites.
I guess. Trust your goggles, Batman.
Oh!
It's not coming off, Stefan.
What's going on?
I'm getting on my motor car.
Holy crap! Where the hell is Kev gone? Who the hell is this guy? That was a Kirsty Moore. Well, originally a Richard Thompson song, but we said we'd put a bit of a spin in it. Well, it's Kirsty Moore does it as well. We said we'd put our own spin in it. But we get it now. We get a tune maybe from this guy. I have no idea who he is. Batman, would you like to join me on guitar or anything?
Sure.
That's not good. That's good on the live stream.
That is not good. Not good at all. How do I get rid of this? Nothing happened. Nothing happened.
Our ad block has
Absolutely
been updated.
nothing happened. So yeah, I might pass over this bad boy. Batman also plays guitar, which is pretty insane.
Okay, if I put this over my glasses, I can still see what's happening.
Batman,
I can see what's happening.
Do you need a capo?
What?
What tunes?
It's up to you, Batman. What would you like to play? What keys? A minor and G.
I'm very fond of the Congress.
The Congress.
Oh my god, that's Keith's favourite tune.
Right. 1, 2, 3, go.
Batman is so good on guitar, he can even play it when it's not fully in tune.
That was pretty rough.
Like, I don't know how, Batman, you're wearing a leather coat because this made me sweat.
It's pretty warm.
So
These
you can have
glasses are
your
making me
goggles
sweat.
back. My glasses are full
Thank
of
you very much,
condensation.
Batman. Does anybody have any other
Excellent playing,
requests we can play? Do you know what we could do now? We could do a little bit of a traditional song.
Just move that along there just so we can read what people are saying. If that's okay.
I have to do some Batman stuff.
I know the Batman goes, I'm gonna pull over out of the way.
Yeah, I will.
Oh,
Right.
right.
No, I don't.
We could have an
Another
interview.
can.
Whoa, we're a lot of comments behind. Let's see, catching up here. I'm after seeing something there nice that happened and I'm trying to figure out what it was. Because everyone's saying awesome and cool. Oh, it's deadly over there actually.
It's so warm.
So, Kev,
Yes.
how are
Sorry,
you?
I should be over here because there's space.
How are you doing?
Good, good. Keep
We
them up.
could do another tune or song or something over here. What's a good song that we can do together?
We can play loads of songs together. If you want to do tunes, we could do a song and a tune.
What song could we play?
I think.
How are you for Banaglass?
What key is it?
Not Banaglass. Oh, what's it called?
Tom and on.
Tom and on, tom and on.
I'm good. Good for Tom and
We were trying to find out like some different songs that we could play that kind of pertain or relate to Halloween, and there's not like a huge number of songs that do relate to Halloween that we know. So we were trying to figure out a few. So we have a couple in the pipeline. Someone's after requesting Olas and Linn. You can do that one.
what was the king? close.
So close. So close to completely bluffing that one. Thank you very much for the request there. Ooh, we have another request in from Susan for Blinding Lights. What do you
That's
think?
a bit of a stretch. I'll give it a go.
Let me think. I wonder.
I need Batman to play the drums for this one.
Let's see if I can find the lyrics here.
I think I'll manage it.
What's it called? What's it called? That's Gaelic. The Daltic Nasai.
It's like,
Stefan,
what's it called the way we do it? I have no idea.
before we play the song, can I tell you a story I heard today?
Yes, yes, Batman, please. You always have the best stories.
Yeah, I know.
They should
Usually
be made into
killing
movies.
someone.
They really should be made into
I
movies.
heard a story today that apparently they just elected a new prime minister in Sweden.
Really?
Yeah, he used to be the CEO of IKEA.
That's a good shout, actually, because IKEA are a pretty successful company.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You know what the first thing is that he did when he got into office?
No idea.
He assembled his cabinet.
Oh, dude!
It's funny because of furniture.
Batman, the frat man. Okay. Okay, this
Love toga parties.
Skriven Arthur is incredibly
Dark.
big. So,
I figured out. I'm sure there's parts of this I haven't thought of, but that's the right key, is it? Try to. Yeah, I think you're right. 1, 2, 3, go.
That was a bit of a. I think I have the chords, but just not in the right order.
That was a particularly good one.
Until halfway through the song.
It was great then.
Yeah, it was alright. That was good. We haven't played that one in a long time.
Since we recorded, did we do that in the live stream before?
I potentially have.
Oh yeah, on your
But
own.
I think I did it with a bazooki instead of a guitar. I don't think I actually did it with a guitar.
Oh yeah, because that video was with a bazooka, isn't it?
Yeah, that was a complete last minute decision as well.
Now for something completely different.
I just sat down to record it and I already had the bazooka in my hand and I was like, alright, I'll just do it with this one. So
I did it once when we recorded it and never since. But I never did it at all because I'm Batman.
Batman, you didn't record that with us, of course you didn't. Why
Good job.
Why are you lying, Batman?
Good job telling the banjo. The banjo?
Batman, you're supposed to tell the truth. You're supposed to be an upholder of truth. You're pretty good on the djembe though, I will say, Batman.
Thank you.
No problem, Batman. Let's see any other requests we've got going here. Ain't that the truth?
Doing any crimes?
I'm not
No, it's pretty quiet tonight.
Okay.
It's Kilkenny like.
James Hayes is requesting you to sing My Little Honda 50.
I'll check in
I
later.
think she's rapping and she's nifty. That's one you could do yourself later.
I don't know it though.
No, did I? Sorry, James.
Do you know what we could do? Another kind of Halloweeny one, which we haven't done in ages as well, is the demons. Demons.
I don't like demons.
But you were kind of like a demon though,
They're
right?
up to no good.
I'm going to jump ahead for a minute for this one.
I will need maybe some of this stuff. It's in D if you want to feck around.
Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds good. I'll go after this one.
And it's a really simple chord progression. It's just
Oh, I know the song, yeah.
I actually do like this one.
What sound?
Demons.
Når vi letar för sin spel, vi hon I vid ein, hobine som drålig år, når nach nein, din sirius bin full, över du skilder, di hyra du krossen vi. Megir skræda ma, megir radon seal, ach it's in the breere free. It's come a bachnari, tagen a tatachri. Wir set kehu hey, wir set kehu hey. Lunet so she's not a may and right. If no one's out in night, if no one's out in night, here's to the on the slowery fresh in on that moral reach if we sat there day that fought we wade it's come up bachnari tagen a tatachri if we sat kehu
Really went for that.
Your
It's good.
your voice is like a little bit off. I kind of have to go for it fully, or I'll probably do squeaks and stuff like that. A question to Batman: could you introduce me to Bane? I know it's a bit bold, but I could change him. He is the Bane of our lives.
I could change him.
I got rid of Bane a long time ago. Did you not see the third Batman movie?
The first man to wear the pepper face cover and stuff.
Yeah, you think your coverings are badass. You want Bane's coverings, they were badass, right?
I was the Bane.
They literally covered the opposite amount of his face.
Right, let's see what's going on in the comments here. Alright,
So my favourite seasonal joke. Sarah, you have us on the hook. Oh, go back down.
oh yeah, Sarah, go on. A skeleton walks into a bar. Well, and orders a drink and a mop.
Okay, go on.
Next.
Just typing
Still
frantically.
typing. Yeah. Backstage. Walks into the bar, orders a
I get it.
That's the full joke.
Oh, I completely get it. Sure, there's a drink and a map. Skeleton drinks a drink, it just goes on the floor.
That's really good.
No, it's not.
Think about it, was her third line, so if you were waiting for that, you were going to be embarrassed. Come back.
You play stuff, I'm just going to wait over here and cry.
Let's play that favourite song of mine called Crime is So Bad.
What? Cry what?
It's like, crime,
Crime.
so bad.
Okay, go for it. I'll play along. What key are you doing it in?
It's my favourite Batman song.
Crime is so bad. I wish no one did cry. I wish everyone was good. I wish everyone was right. No crime.
Oh, I thought
That was deep. Didn't know you were a lyricist as well, Batman.
It's on my Spotify.
it's called Crime is Bad. By
Like
Batman.
that old chair.
Batman has jumped the shark.
How do you jump a shark? Grime is so bad.
Share your laugh at your. Oh yeah. Listen, Sarah. I love a bad joke, but that one was just too far. It wasn't really. I'm only
I'm
messing.
trying to think of another like penguin bar style skeleton joke or something. there has to be loads like around Halloween. Sure they had.
Why didn't the skeleton go to the dance? Because he had no body to be with. You know that one. That's worse than Sarah's one.
Sarah.
Everyone named Sarah is going to get
Did you
it.
say Sarah?
That's where she is. She's in the comments.
Oh, if you flick this, it just keeps rolling.
If you click that though, it'll stop it. It's an infinity scroller.
That's cool. That's really
It's
cool.
very handy. Like look, it fly through all the comments.
Oh my god.
Like if you want to go right
Did you see
back
that,
to
Keith?
the
I mean, Batman. Did you see that, Batman? Damn it!
Keith's not here. You let it slip.
No.
They'll all know now.
No, it's just we're so used to Keith playing the mandolin. It's just really weird when
It takes time.
when Batman plays the mandolin. We might keep the Halloween.
What are you thinking? I'll play drums for you.
Not really sure if I know this one fully either, but
1 second. Go work away.
another head hangs slowly. The child is slowly taken. The violence caused such silence. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their guns and their bombs and their bombs. In your head, they are crying. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In How would you go?
Is that an Ewok?
It was an Iraq walk saying, well, Kev, how are you?
Not too bad.
But that's obvious. So I live in Limerick, so I have to do that one, and it's a big Halloween song too as well, which is great. And also we have over here anyone from. We'll drink these in honor. There's a new Wexford person born.
Yeah, the yellow belly cans.
The yellow belly. They might see them come up as backwards. Oh no, they're okay there actually. Yellow belly is the nickname for people from Wexford, and we have a new one in Sophie.
Again, if anybody wants to get in touch with that brewery.
Yeah, actually, this brewery's in Ireland, so.
There's a slim chance they'll send us some stuff.
Yeah, but you know, I never know. Yellow belly, from Pembrokestown, Wexford. Yeah.
Deadly. Here's to Sophie. You're going ahead.
To Sophie.
Here's to
Batman, get over here.
Sophie Millie.
To Sophie Millie Moore.
To Sophie.
Na 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 na.
Sophie gave it up.
Sophie Millie Moore, Millie Moore, Sophie Millie Moore. Na 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 na. Sophie Millie Moore, Sophie Millie Moore. That's fine. Might do it now a cappella. We haven't done one of them at all.
Yeah.
I love that.
What will we do? Will you Limar?
Yeah. We haven't done that in a long time.
That's one of my favorites.
That's good to know, Batman. Excuse me. She molech ma yelamar. She ma iser yelamar. Soon na she ni woras hen. Oh, gigim na yelamar. Shall the sim wide in have. Anishim wan truchatir free. Mohila iktraun adon getrain. De warn the grok is on him again. Shem olech mo yelamar. Shem eiser yelamar. Soon Asheni boras hel. Oh, gigin na yelamar. Well, biem shabuin nerburt gachlo. I say quiga cruas gutur nyor. O skrilu en na bochel Snarif tartorisko I'm overall. She molech mo yelamar. She ma eiser yelamar. And soon I she ni boras hen. Oh, igin na yelamar. Ni laurian koch bahur kirnyon. Snil gahal ze gwinte kro. Sna madin haurung launtiv kyo. O dim shi wem bachel bio. She molech mo yelamar. She ma eiser yelamar. And soon she ni boras hen. Oh, gigin na yelamar. And she molech mo yelamar. She ma eiser yelamar. And soon she ni boras hen. Oh, gigin yelamar. Oh, gigin yelamar. Now, Sophie Millie Moore. Rugun sin kuplachani.
Fáilte. Guntail.
Fáilte guntail. Story.
Sophie.
So I suppose one thing that people I suppose do be interested in this time of year is that Samhain is an old Celtic festival from many years ago. I suppose you could probably hazard a guess it originated at around 600 BC with the arrival of the Celts to this land. But it's one of 4 Celtic festivals, each marking the start of a new season. So Samhain depicts the end of, the original meaning was that it was the end of summer. Back then there were only 2 festivals, but now it I suppose is the heralding of winter. The one that comes next after this is Imbolc, which is the start of spring on the 1st of February. Then you have Beltane, which is the start of the summer quarter of the year, and then you have Lunasa, which is the start of autumn. So in the old Celtic time as well, Samhain was the start of the new year. So it was the Celtic New Year. It was the end of the harvest. It was when they finished up the harvest. They gathered as much food as they could into storage, and that was it. They wrapped up with a big bonfires, and they kind of knuckled down basically for the winter. And a few of the customs that are associated with Samhain are the dressing up that you now see in the commercialized version of Halloween. So the reason that was happening was because Samhain was considered as one of it was a period of time where the distance between the afterlife and the realm on earth was at its smallest, or closest. So therefore people believed that spirits would cross over and roam the world, the mortal world. So they used to dress up and try as demons and spirits and stuff to try and blend in and to hide so that people didn't recognize them and would leave them alone. So it was actually a form of protection in the old Celtic tradition, which you can see how that evolved into Halloween. And they have similar festivals around the world. For example, Dia de los Muertos, which is a similar idea, and where the dead can come back into the mortal realm and meet their relatives and stuff like that. And the reason that Samhain and some people in Ireland have the kind of confusion between the summer months, and our summer months are different to the summer months of the UK, for example, in the sense that I'm pretty sure in the UK they say that June, July and August are the summer months, but for us it's May, June and July are the summer months. August, September, October are the autumn months. November, December, January are winter, and then February, March and April are spring. And for that it's kind of it's a mixture between which do you go by? Do you go by the sun and the moon, the kind of scientific method, or do you go by how which is sunnier and kind of that kind of thing? So the Celtic festival is based off the sun and the moon. The shortest day of the year in Ireland is the 21st of December, and the longest day of the year in Ireland is the 21st of June. So 21st of December is smack bang in the middle of our winter, which are our Gíomhar. So if you go back a month and a half before, you hit Samhain. A month and a half to the other side, you hit the start of February. And it's the same with our longest day of the year is the 21st of June. So it's even out. So our shortest day is right in the middle of winter, and our longest day is right in the middle of summer. So that's why that discrepancy is there amongst people in a similar region of the world. So I kind of like the Celtic way of doing it. And also our months, September and October, are called Meánfómhair, which means the middle of autumn, and Zerafómhair, which means the end of autumn. That's a little bit of a history on Samhain and all that kind of stuff. And as people know, I suppose, when the Christians came to Ireland in about roughly 500 AD, they started to try and blend Christian tradition with Celtic tradition, and in doing so, which is very, very common amongst people who are trying to convert other religions to different belief systems and that kind of thing, they used to integrate their beliefs into whatever belief systems and traditions were already there. For example, Samhain being the day that the closest between the dead and the world became the Day of the Dead and All Saints. So we have our Day of the Dead is on the 1st of November, and then the All Saints is the 2nd, or I think it's vice versa. I think All Saints is the 1st, and then battery exhausted. This battery just didn't want to listen to any more of this stuff.
We keep talking for a second.
I'm pretty sure you can still hear us. We're just in the dark, which is a bit spooky. Okay, I'm just trying to delay a bit of time until the battery comes back on.
We've crossed through the realm.
We're in the other realm, everybody.
We're in the upside down.
We're in the upside down. Yeah, we're just trying to fix it up here.
Oh, battery's
still exhausted. And here we go. Is it going to come back? Come on, evil realm. Let's get out of there.
I think this is a good time to play a song.
Okay, or we play some tunes. So tunes, I suppose, oftentimes people do close their eyes and listen anyway. So,
so just do that. And hopefully by the time we're done, you'll be able to see us again. Will we do the high level?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, it changes key actually.
It's okay. G to A, isn't it?
I think so. Do you want to play something else? I can play different horn pipes. Go on.
Yeah.
upstairs. I can't remember the names.
It's nice.
I'll check them. There are two horn pipes in G.
If I was to play one or two more times, I would be able to figure out a set of chords. But yeah, so I'm not too sure where I was in the story. But yeah, basically, so the Christians came in and tried to work the same holidays and festivals into the same tradition. So you have this kind of hybrid culture of Celtic and Christian tradition here in Ireland, and that's where we have the likes of Samhain, the likes of Imbolc. Imbolc became we have our old Celtic goddess of breeds. We will be talking about her. We talk about her in the 1st of February, the start of spring next year. We'll be talking a little bit about her, but she the Christian tradition identified her as Saint Bridget or Saint Breeds, who became one of our matron saints. So we have, so that's basically us. So we have a lot of different holidays going on here, and some Celtic, some Christian, and we'll take everything. To be honest with you, we'll take any old holiday, any chance of a day off, and a bit of crack. But that's that.
Everyone loves a holiday.
Oh God, I love holidays too much to be honest. But do we have the old motion so we can have a look at some of the comments, or maybe I can do it here and they'll go home. So let's just see now. If you have any questions regard to it, throw it in there, and we can answer what we can. So let's see. We have Molly the Goch. She's like, who's this? She's like, I know which one he's going. He's like, oh, gee. Molly the Goch. To co-op Samhain for Christianity. Samhain. Samhain is the true name. She's really good. Why did the carve turnips? So turnips, Corey. Turnips are we don't have pumpkins naturally here in Ireland, and turnips are what they did. So there's a story about Jack O'Lantern who was caught between the two realms, and he used to go around, with a turnip as lighting his way, and carved out turnip. And then when Irish people emigrated to the US, they realised they had pumpkins which were hollow anyway and a lot easier to carve. So that's where the pumpkin thing came from. If only they went maybe down to some sunnier places, they might make them out of watermelons. But it's pumpkins now.
There's a question here, Stefan. Miss Teal Claire was asking about the new Linn album.
Oh yes.
Could you give like an update or some kind of thing?
I can give an update. So we are currently in Kilkenny again. Hence there's always seems to be problems with the live streams whenever we come to Kilkenny, because we end up doing a whole different setup. I've got it kind of at home and it's ready to go at home, but whenever we come down here to set it up, which is better. Don't get me wrong, it's better. But the reason we're here in Kilkenny is because we are working on some more songs at the moment again. So we will be in studio in December, recording again for our next session. It'll be a few days. They're just booked off to go in and make sure we can get as much down. And we have another session booked in then as well for January, which is brilliant. And hopefully it won't take too much more than that, Batman. But it might take another session. So.
And how do you feel about what's been recorded so far, Stefan?
I feel like it's going to be a really, 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 genuinely, being honest, I think it was going to be a really, really, really special album. I'm very excited for it. It's a little bit different. It's something we all have kind of wanted to do for a while, and we're finally doing it. And I'm really, really excited for it. It's going to be different from what we usually do, with flavours of our usual stuff. But no, it's certainly very much us.
Stefan, you who doesn't do any crime.
Yeah.
If you had to describe the album, how would you describe it? Would you compare it to any other Linn previous work? Or is it totally new?
I would say some of it is totally new, but other bits are comparable to certain tracks from before.
Do you want to talk about those tracks, or leave it up to the imagination?
Well, I can say that one of the tracks that's going to be that's going to be on the album is, of course, Shooter Room. Now, Batman, have you heard Shooter Room?
I've heard that one.
Yeah.
I listen to that in my Batmobile when I'm hunting crime.
Does your Batmobile have a good sound system?
I have a playlist and a very good sound system.
What's on the playlist, Batman?
It's that and Bubblegum Pop. But I really like that track, Shooter Room. It speaks to me.
Yeah, because Batman does like to shoot around in secret. It's a walk around in secret, right? He doesn't want to get caught.
I don't like the daylight.
So I can see how that one would speak to you a bit. Yeah.
Oh, I never realised that until now.
Yeah, Batman, you're a pretty deep guy. Any other questions there? The battery's a bit exhausted at us again. The battery will be fine, don't worry, you can still hear us. Monster by Welsh group The Automatic. Susan, I did not know that song was by The Automatic, so I mean, I will do it. Faux show. Now I might be able to fix this on some other level, but we will have to. Oh, 1 second now.
Yeah, take it off.
That's shit fine. Testing on the delay.
I'll play a tune later.
Yes, please, Kev, do that.
Should I sing my song about crime again?
Yeah, I mean that worked.
I think they really liked it.
Oh, okay, then. Have they said anything else about their new album? No, but here's some tunes. You have to leave Restream on the phone before you do. me laugh too much. I found that very funny. I can see myself. Oh, not on restream yet. I'm hoping that you can actually see me playing that and not just hear me anymore.
Well, you can. That was
brilliant.
That was fantastic, Kevy.
Thanks.
Fantastico. Might steal that.
Free bird. I think in my haste to get back to my chair, I may have lost my can. No bother, Dame Hilary Stripe. Or Strip. Oh, Barbie's on. How are you, Barbie? How's everything down under? Hope the blood's not going to your head from being on the bottom side of the planet. Terrible joke.
Yeah,
I'll give Anthony a
I can't even give you that one now.
Not fair.
How is everybody there now? Let's see. Thanks, Kev. So that Kev, what was that one called?
January Snows, isn't it?
Yeah, beautiful track.
January Snows, I think.
I asked you, I already knew. I don't know why. It was more so to get
It's
you.
fine. It's fine.
Chance for everybody else. Apologies for the kind of the few little
We've
mishaps that keep coming up.
it seems to go better when we're all left to our own devices, literally.
Yeah.
Literally left to our own devices.
Yeah, we just kind of tend to come in here and
When we come in together, it's a more complicated setup, it seems.
it is. Different cameras, different sound systems, the whole lot. But yeah, that's a beautiful tune, Kev. I really like that one. You can play that one with great feeling as well.
Thanks.
It's very nice. We could play a few songs from our EP maybe as well.
Oh yeah, that'd be cool.
Or do you know what we haven't done? We got many requests for this one at the start. I actually see one there again.
I am. Tim just pointed out I'm looking very baby faced today.
How? Yeah. No beard actually.
I lost the beard yesterday. I sneezed and it all fell out.
How you prefer playing this? This is in the key of A for you.
What was it? What were we playing?
Chul mé chor cheachta. This will make kechel and all. On a hall in a flying. And between toes.
What's the intro? Go on. I'm blanking here.
So I was supposed to say this one has been requested actually a couple of times, but it's one we keep forgetting about, to be honest. And I saw that who else requested? Hazelnut has requested it.
I have actually seen this requested.
Yeah, lots of people have requested this one. This will make a chwile no. Shinana nishan stop on yeshu. Every pastel no. Vart the main kachto. We take you down back rolling for. Push it clean out in your heart. Yes, you see it, you know. Oh, the whole night. I'm fresh into the zone. This is passes tonight. It took so long. We'll all pass the night. Tom. Adam Chosses Den heart of school here Folks tits in Ganya deeper Bring us for Kirek to me Ich höre Tade den Chuslish Da scheint's gedera Shegado Whenever Christian machen circles Da schon Barak Shiri Dog
Sorry I'm late. Oh my god.
Man, you are not going to believe who just was here.
I missed. There was traffic on the road. There was sheep on the road.
Yeah,
That's why I'm late.
yeah, of course.
And it's raining as well.
Yeah, okay. But
Who was here?
You're not gonna. Okay, I'll give you a guess, right?
Marcy.
Close, actually, very close.
Okay.
It begins with B, and it rhymes with Atman.
Balatman. No, that's not a thing.
Catman.
There's a B.
Boris Johnson, Natman? No, that's not it either. No.
It wasn't him.
It wasn't Batman, was it?
It was Batman.
That's ridiculous. I love Batman.
I know. You always dress up from Halloween as well, and he was right here.
That's ridiculous.
I know, and
That's ridiculous.
and he plays the same instruments as you, by the way.
Really?
Yeah, he sings as well, but
Is that why all my stuff was set up?
that's why all your stuff is here and set ready to go. He also he knows all your lines except he sings them all down the octave in a really low
Husky
deep,
voice.
husky tone. Yeah,
And he really wants to know where Sarah is.
yeah, and he's obsessed with Sarah. I don't know who Sarah is at all myself now, but he's obsessed with her.
Tin Lizzy's on. They said it earlier.
You know what they say? Leave an hour earlier.
Yeah, you should even when it's about 30 seconds over the road. You should really leave an hour earlier.
I am raging.
Yeah, no, I would be too.
What do you do?
Because you missed the first hour and a half of the live stream as well, which is
Yeah, that's not great.
Standard.
which is standard. Unfortunately.
That's a dick.
We play lots of, but you know there was one song that people really wanted Batman to play, but obviously
was
he's
it?
gone, so I don't know if we're going to be able to do it without him. Excuse me, sorry. I gotta remember. Follow me, Urta.
Oh yeah.
We could rustle together a little something for that.
I think we should. It's gonna be. I'm not sure it's gonna work without Batman though.
Listen, in Batman's stead, I'll do my very best. That's all I can say.
Yeah. Ready?
2, 3,
Go!
Play this one as the opener to our set all the time. That's been fun. We liked it. It's good fun. It's good cover play. I want to thank everybody for tuning into this live stream today. For our Samhain special. We're all together here in Kilkenny making music. And a lot of that is down to you. So I want to thank you so much for your support on PayPal. And with our tip jar, you're the best. Hey. You were laughing and your face was tomato.
Yeah, no, Joe Hoyo was really red and my leg was suspended so that I could kick this.
Oh,
and it was getting really, really sore on my head. So I was just going really red in the face. It was awful.
And when you were saying, hey, it really reminded me of you go, hey, you're bumming
no, I went A as well when you bumped it out.
Yeah, sorry. I was like, hey, hey. Oh, that was good. Thank you very much for requesting that one. We don't do that one that often anymore.
Everyone take.
Connor Moore is in.
Do we have Connor Moore?
Da 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 da. Sophie Millie Moore, Sophie Millie Moore. Na 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 na. Sophie Millie Moore, Sophie Millie Moore. So that was for you, that unbelievable audition of Sophie Millie Moore.
Yeah.
Ah, Kevin Campbell's in. Na 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 na. Kevin Campbell, Kevin Campbell. Na 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 na. Kevin Campbell, A boy to Kev, a boy. Hey, Mauro Gorman's in. Na 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 na. Mauro Gorman, more. Anyway, guys, congratulations on the Baba. We are very excited, as you can tell. Any requests in there? Love you too, Maura.
Daddy is in.
We miss you, you're down. Daddy is in, and Mammy's in as well. We've got Conor Moore and Maura going.
Please do this for the rest of the live, says Conor Moore. Can't be arranged. How much time do you have?
Oh my God. Conor would be the best dad in the world, I think.
Oh,
Conor, you have to get, like, I'm already expecting Sophie to know how to do 6/8 on the bow round now in the next 4 weeks.
She knows already, I'd say.
I'd say she probably knows already, to be honest.
I'm surprised. It was like
9/8 will be coming soon after a while. So well in for the slip jigs, our Sophie. We've lost Kev, so we may as well go into. What about Rise? Some of that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't done that in a while.
I might do a bit of djembe for that instead of mandolin.
You should porky, no.
Actually, separate.
Woe be the Lord.
Actually, keep that open tune.
Bear Very well. Oh my god, this thing is absolutely awful. I think I might just play this. We'll just figure it out in that good.
We'll get there.
People agus tógan ná Mór na chorne go mór dáhar dáchuí Is si trappa in the one So fógar tadí in a saljú in Whoa, I'm lying to the land Whoa, smelty plascione Whoa, for scum I shit Whoa, we will rise Sunny, sunny, and we will fly Lost in your land, and we will rise Sunny, sunny, and we will fly Lost in your Take a breath and never look around What we build is an image of our life Let us be so we are proud Another stories of the side of our reaching life Whoa, a long time to live Whoa, sweaty flashing Whoa, storm on the ship Whoa, for we will rise Sunny, sunny, we will fly Lost in your land, for we will rise Sunny, sunny, and we will fly Lost in your For we will rise there high, and we will fly there high, and we will rise there high, and we will fly there high, for we will rise there high, and we will fly there high, and we will rise there high, we will fly. Take a breath and never look around. Mór the chorne commód záhar dáchuí.
We need Dahi's wind note. We need Dahi's wind on the piano.
We'll dedicate
For the first 30 seconds of that song, he stands there holding that note.
Yeah, I know.
It just plays wind.
Just go sit back and go. Gonna dedicate that one to Sophie Millymore.
What a girl.
Yeah, she's gonna be raised very well.
Good woman yourself.
Can't wait to meet Sophie.
Oh man, I'm buzzing.
She is mad busy with baby stuff right now.
She's just up to
She's got baby gym at workshops. She's got baby photo workshops.
She's
Not to mention lying down.
She's going around from crash to crash teaching how to bed.
Sitting up. That's a hard one.
She's got belly time all day on a Thursday.
Don't start me on belly time.
next month she's gonna start lifting her neck.
Her own neck.
and then she's off to Lanzarote for 2 weeks.
For a residency. Connor, if you had any sense now, you wouldn't teach her the drums, you'd teach her the saxophone so you could go and do those club gigs.
Yeah, you could actually do a little DJ and sax type thing. Just with you and your daughter.
Oh, we have another
Ryan
mate.
Cara, buddy!
How are you, mate?
G'day, mate. How you doing?
How's Amy Pack? What these days? Sorry.
Buddy, what's going on
Low
with the
blow.
Tigers? Right.
Shots.
We play, before the voice goes out together, might play a little bit of what was on the list. Buy Me Time, people are calling for Buy Me Time.
Did we not play that already? No, we didn't. We played the other one.
So Buy Me Time and so Rise, what we just played is from our first album Solace, which is kind of a collection of different projects we have done since we started off as a group back in 2013, and from there then we released our EP with Marcus in the Wood, or Marcus Asgail, and from that we played Tom and On from that, and we will be playing Buy Me Time
We played
next.
Bluckany. Did you say Bluckany?
We haven't played Bluckany yet.
Have we not?
No, we
Oh,
have
sorry,
not.
you're right.
We have not played Bluckany.
do that now.
Bluckany's from Solace. We could do that one actually.
Yeah,
we could
sure.
do that one.
Sorry, we also haven't thanked people for contributing on PayPal. Thanks so much to anyone who
Yes,
has. It's a huge help. We have heard the phones buzzing over there to say people are tipping away. So thank you so
Thank
much.
you so
Yeah,
much.
it's really appreciated. Might put the thing in the tip jar and the comment in the bottom.
Absolutely.
Oh yeah.
I'll no. Or if you go to chat there, go down to the comment section.
Oh,
says
yeah.
type message. Down the very bottom where it says type a message. Then I can put it in tip jar.
Oh, good man, Stefan.
You're all caps there now, so you're going to be shouting.
That's what he wants.
No.
Tip jar. But thanks so much to everyone who's contributed. It's keeping us recording. We're halfway through the next album in terms of recording. That looks good, Stefan.
We're doing a writing session tomorrow. Another
yeah.
another writing session. I think we spoke about the last one, didn't we? Yeah, we did. We did the live stream just after it. Went really well. So there are 2 tracks that are ready to be not ready to be recorded, but they're kind of getting there.
Once we get Batman's influence on it, I think we'll be there.
Yeah. He's not like gonna like replace me or anything. Like Batman wouldn't.
I'd be fine with it.
That's not what I wanted to hear at all.
Well, we haven't exactly we haven't ruled it. We haven't it's not sure thing.
He can't gig in the day, like so.
That's true. He is a millionaire though.
Most of our live streams are at night. But
Actually, in fact, all of them are.
when Kev was playing January Snows, myself and Batman had a good chat outside there.
Yeah.
And let's just say there's a lot he can offer us. You know, he's got the lower tones we've been missing since Cahill.
Said he can play piano with his feet, so that's not he can.
He can play with his feet. He can fly, which is going to look great on stage.
Can he fly though?
He can fall with stride at least.
He can. I was thinking, Joe, even if he can't fly, as I said earlier, he's a millionaire.
Yeah.
That's big. Now that's
No,
big.
Millionaire?
No, but
I don't know. He's a lot of money.
I want people to know that. He specifically doesn't want people.
How do they think that he affords all the things?
You've just.
How do you think he affords all the things? He's either a millionaire or he's funded by one.
Yeah, but remember he didn't want to tell us that he was Bruce Wayne. Remember that?
Oh, Bruce Wayne.
Well, seriously.
Gotham City is not a real place, Stefan.
You're not talking to him.
Simulation.
He's not. He's not Bruce Wayne. Don't mind him. He's only the Joker. Let's just play a song.
We're off the city. Let's
Why so serious all of a sudden?
Jesus Christ.
I think we should play a song. I think, what were we going to play? Bluckany.
Alright.
Lucky would be lovely.
Batman, I'm sorry for outing you, but to be fair, you shouldn't have published all those books with your name and your alter ego.
Yeah, actually, do you know what? When he brought out the movies, it was
It's a bit of a
obvious.
giveaway. Right. Ready?
Just wait for Keto to get back in for
Oh. 2, 3, go!
some story. Bígí. It's fate and it's screaming and love. 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 It's screaming and love. Coming on in with some morning there, Lord, sweet in the beach. Guide more. Let me go, let's go on do a gift. No, they don't want me anymore. Let's come and get the iron by over sun, the toe, deep in the beach. Bígí, Samhna, no amor, deep in the dish. Bígí more. I'm a bag of coffee, Bígí, Samhna, no amor, deep in the dish. Bígí more. It's Bígí Batman, I'm Spider-Man. It gets what it's saying. Being a little there, all the sun. Diddly alright.
I wasn't expecting that one. That was a nice one to go into.
I couldn't read who. I'm nearly certain it was James Hayes.
requested it.
I just saw him say something like, "Go into that one from this," and then and then I completely forgot about it. Colin Butler. What's Batman's favorite drink? Vigilante. Hey, that is a good one.
That is a good one.
That is good. Yeah. People are saying, yeah, I do miss Dahi. Dahi, that is the one. That is the Dahi song. Arsene Wenger. Alan Kelly, sorry, it was Alan Kelly who said it. Follow this with 3 being these.
Man, Alan, good
absolute
shout.
Legend. Alan, happy birthday. Is it your birthday, Alan? Alan's birthday. Alan. Who's the man? Who's the man? It's Alan. Who's the man? Oh, who's the man? It's Alan. Who's the man? Oh, who's the man? It's Alan. Who's the man? Oh, who's the man? It's Alan. Who's the man? Oh, who's the man? It's Alan. Oh yeah.
You could have gone into it from there.
No, I don't know. I'm in the wrong key.
Okay.
Should be up here.
That took us somewhere we weren't expecting to go.
That was 2 songs for Alan.
Do you regret anything though?
Not a bit.
I doubt. I don't.
No regrets.
I hate that I've been replaced by Batman, but I don't regret the song.
I mean, nothing is finalised. It's about 70-30 now in favour of Batman, but nothing's finalised.
I can play the tuba. That's a lie. I can't play the tuba. I'm just panicking.
Back to
I'm just panicking.
Yeah, you're back to 70-30. Yellow belly! Tamila falls through the Alan.
Oh, wow.
Right, let's see what else we got. Oh, wow. I can imagine Kyle just sitting here in the corner just like this going, wow.
Sorry, I stand.
Right.
Back pain.
I'm nervous about this guitar, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah,
Tune it first.
a bit wobbly. What's playing?
Bit of Bob.
Oh, I'll do the djembe for Bob. Bob's
Yeah, you
fierce
will.
fan of the djembe, so he is. Ismach your Bob on djembe, oh, ismach your Bob on djembe. Ta Bob on toki leshon djembe.
Tasheon toki leshon jambe. Taba ban toki Jambe Shame Fares Toki Tawak Medive sold out to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took line from the bottomless pit, but my hand was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. We forward in this generation. Songs of freedom is all I ever am. Redemption songs. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Not man ourselves can free our minds. I've no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? As some say, it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? It's all I ever. Redemption song is all I ever. Redemption song. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Oh, I've no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop at the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and love? Some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? It's all I ever am. Redemption song. It's all I ever have. Redemption songs. These songs of freedom. These songs of passion. Redemption songs. Redemption songs. Redemption songs. Redemption songs. Yeah. That always brings it back to Guidor.
Guidor, Aaron Loch.
Yeah. Bhí sé sin go híomh na lug.
Bígí.
Yeah, haine
Especially folks.
Tá sí fós ná. Tá sí comments go le rású is go dtí Guidor.
Oh yeah.
Six the height going back.
Yeah.
A quick piece of advice for anybody who's visiting Ireland, going to Donegal or anywhere like that, visiting around Donegal, to go to Bígí in Guidor in Bumbeg. Beautiful little pub. Place we played most of our lot of gigs in the early days.
Yep.
Some of our first
Cabaret Crackles.
cabaret crackers they were running Makawee.
A pub very well known for live music.
Yeah. Some of my favourite memories in Shullin are in that pub, like definitely. They really are. But Keito, have you got any like Kabara songs or anything that you'd like to play for us?
I'll do a bar song if you play Jambi first.
Okay.
I'll give it a shot. Just hit the thing.
I'll never turn on the opportunity to do it, but I'll never ever promise I'll do it well.
What do we do? El Capo at.
Top. Oh, you might mention that again.
It's a devil forgot how to tune this one, isn't it?
It needs about 1,000 new strings. Kev wants me to spray something. Culture. I'll play along to your tuning.
Sometimes when the strings are just past their date,
They're just not able for it anymore.
they're just not able to. Slash. Just go wild on that thing's fun. I was much too young when she found me. Dumb heart just never stood a chance. The sweetest summer months went past. I'd ever had such happy innocence. Young love just makes no sense. And summer always comes. Summer always ends. Night always cold. 1, 2. I never felt so light as when I was with you, my darling. And now I see you around with somebody now. Oh, does he make you smile? Does he even care? Oh, I could take you anywhere. I never felt so alive as when I was with you. I never felt so alive. I never felt so alive. In the night, her ghost betrays me, comes back to haunt my memories. She steals into my heart and leaves eternally. Oh, no one can live like this. Two souls on a sinking ship. Let it die to live. Let it die to live. And lose either way. Ooh. tasted so sweet. You tear me asunder, my darling. Please don't sing to me. I can't remember the last time poison tasted so sweet. You tear me asunder. Please don't sing to me. Oh, I can't remember the last time poison tasted so sweet. You tear me asunder, my darling. I never felt so alive as when I was with you, my darling. And now I see you around, and it's nothing new.
Should definitely learn some proper harmonies for that, you know.
I think you did a great job there, to be honest.
Some of them I was like, just fade out and do that.
Just fade out and stop.
Fair play,
That was
Steve.
class. It was really cool. I like
I
that.
enjoyed that a lot.
By the way, my go-to on the djembe is. So,
Samhna. Has to be Samhna.
if you think that's gonna work, then
Go
yeah.
for it.
Right, this is Hallelujah by Jeff Buck.
Hallelujah. How would it even go, like?
Hallelujah. It's so abstract I can't even sing the melody. They played a piece of love, but you don't even care for music, do ya?
Now you learn a new rhythm.
Like this, the fourth, the fifth, the minor chord, the major is. Sounds like Jolene.
Sholin,
What was it?
Sholin, Sholin. Are you sure you're hallelujah? Caribbean version of
I do like the chorus.
We go to some interesting places on these live streams. That's
I do like the chorus to that. That's it.
Hallelujah,
That was nice.
hallelujah,
Oh, I think so.
hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Jeff, Jesus, we're sorry about that, but I thought it was great.
Well, it was
Leonard. Sorry.
Leonard, yeah. I was going to say, wasn't it Leonard Roll? Our Leonard.
Our Leonard.
Atarnia.
How about the Lord Spurs a horse race? We're just done having doing it as a reggae song. Surely we can do the Lord's Prayer as a horse race.
Just go on with the picture.
I'm actually crying.
Don't wish played elevated.
Oh, yeah.
Tune on.
Oh, God.
Oh man, right. Pick up the guitar and do a sound. Come on.
What's that?
Anything you want. Anything you want after that. Nor Hagen Keys or Ashton must play. Stiff's getting giddy now, lads. It's not a good thing.
It's probably that, actually.
Did we do? We didn't do the Halloween one, number 3.
We did.
Did you? Oh, sorry.
We'll do it again if you want.
Wasn't paying attention.
We could do it.
Do it again. Do you want to do a version of O Rush of the Hoda with guitar and bass? Go on.
Yeah, that's that.
So a bit of a different version of O Roll, but give it a go.
Was it in D?
Yeah.
Yeah, you start. Själv merlöch Du till den ledsna gani Oro shida vawale Oro shida vawale Oro shida vawale Alisher achtan tau Schachten, run you Samile Gashki. Ik vogels van Shit Shedava, Anish Heracht and
Hey,
That was nice.
Yeah.
we got it.
Enjoyed that.
That reminded me a little of the one time we did it for the Today Show.
Yeah, that's what I was kind of thinking of when I suggested.
It wasn't the same though.
No,
Like
it
it just reminded me that was like a good
Yeah,
happy version of happy
Yeah.
intro.
Danke, danke, danke.
Yeah, so we might finish up now. I think.
Scott Hill.
Or maybe we do Karen busy birthday.
Birds.
Just busy birth.
It's Dina Edog was on.
Sorry.
My enemy to bed Sky Hill because it's in party vest and
Yeah. Before we finish up, thanks so much everyone again for tuning in to Thank Focus Friday. Yous are all great.
We have the tip jar there.
Tip jar's there in the down there in the bottom corner where Keith was sitting. PayPal.me/Shulin. I don't know if there's any way to get that into the comments again. Could you hand me that mouse, please? I might be able to work it.
Yes,
So thanks so much to everyone who's liked, shared. I saw a couple of people saying remember to like and share on YouTube or even just liking video. It just gets us out there to more and more people, and if they like us, they stick around like yourselves, and we grow the community. So thanks so much to
That's a good point too, because one of my favourite things about Thank Focus Friday and Thank Focus Thursday is the people that we are getting to know. You know, like even for example having Tim over the other, like that Tim got to know us through
these
Thank
live streams,
Focus Thursday. Like Tim didn't know us before that, so we're building up a kind of a relationship with community from people and stuff like that. So it was cool. Ryan Carter, oh my man, we will organise a trip to Australia very soon.
Yeah.
Ryan
Very,
Carter.
very soon.
Ryan, just tell me if you're working today. That's all I want to know. Okay.
Yeah, no
That's
reason.
all I want to know. No reason whatsoever.
No
just
reason.
want to know if you're working today.
If you're not,
If you're not, it doesn't matter. There's no reason. No reason I'm asking.
no problem. But if you are,
If you are,
big
stay
problem.
up.
Big problem. Big problem. If you are, it's a big problem.
And we're starting to organise our 2022 right now in terms of where we're going, what we're doing, in terms of shows and that kind of stuff. So hopefully we're going to be back to America, I think.
We can definitely say that we have 3 countries organised,
Yes.
which is
Oh, we do. It's like, what's
do,
the
yeah.
third?
Yeah.
Took me a minute.
One is more close
4
to
actually. 4 countries, I would say. I'll tell you after why. 4. We do have 4 countries on the books for next year.
Oh, we do. Yeah, I'm with you.
I don't get it.
And I'll tell you later.
You will if you
If you think
think real
hard.
hard.
Okay, one sec.
Right.
2022 will be the first year that shut in tour
4 countries.
4 countries in the 1 year, I think.
I don't get it.
I don't think it'll be the first year.
I think we'll.
I think we've done the same 4 countries
I don't think so.
another year.
I don't think so. I think 2022 will be the year that we tour the most countries in 1 year.
Okay.
Yeah?
That'll be cool.
Already, I think so. And I can't wait. We cannot wait to get back out gigging. Honest to God.
Yes.
Got that gem in.
Goodbye.
You sure you don't want me fed?
No, you were so good, but I'm going to just...
Really?
Because you're so good at guitar as well.
Oh yeah. Okay. Lima, we had it. Ain't even one guitar is the killer. Seriously, take it a day now. Hold on, love, it's me to make your way now. Oh, 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 oh.
Craig at the boom. Craig at the boom.
Love all the money that e'er I've had, life spent it in good company, and of all the harm that e'er I've done, alas, it was to none but me. For all I've done, for want of wit, to memory now I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. And if I had money enough to spend, and leisure time to sit well, there is a fair maid in this town, and she surely has my heart beguiled. Her rosy cheeks, her ruby lips, I own she has my heart enthralled. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. And of all the comrades that e'er I've had, they are sorry for my going away. And of all sweethearts that e'er I've had, they would wish me one more day to stay. But since it falls unto my lot that I should rise and you should not, I'd gently rise and I'd softly fall. Good night and joy Gor Mila Magi Kharjas Junior Staff. Thank you so much to everybody who's tuned in tonight. Some people who have tipped us and kept us on the road, keep us going. We're very, very excited about the future, and a lot of that is down to you. So Mila buchas ascatlo gazisha. Agus feki moshib on tachten chogan. Right.
Thank you. Kinse.
We'll see. I just want to say massive. I suppose all that was quite massive thank you. Yeah, massive thank you to everybody who's tuned in tonight and who's assisted us with the tip jar and all that kind of stuff. We really, really, really appreciate it. Have a wonderful, wonderful Samhain or Halloween. Enjoy yourselves in the festivities, and we will see you all again next week. Thank you so much. So, Sanagi, Shabin.
Ich war heute. And good night.
So,